Hello, I'm Ronnie, Professor of Organizational Behavior and People Management in the School of Management Studies in the Faculty of Commerce. I'll be doing my inaugural lecture on Wednesday, 28th September, where I'll be talking about women academics, thriving or surviving. I'll be looking at the experiences of women academics through the lens of the psychological contract. The psychological contract explores the relationship between each party in terms of their expectations and obligations to each other. So in particular, I'll be looking at women academics' relationships with the academy itself. Please join me for this interesting talk on Wednesday, the 28th of September. I look forward to seeing you then.